The world outside is not tricky, is not the cause of our suffering. It is the mind, the tricky mind. Why it is the mind? Because it is impulsive, it is habitual, it is instinctive, and only the human race have a free intellective free will to receive the knowledge and realize that knowledge by action. But the mind comes in between. Think. Think of this mind is like a highway which has 3 lanes. The lane number 1, automatic, unwelcome, uninvited thought enters into the mind. We get carried away, and based on that unwanted, unwelcome thoughts of likes and dislikes, of hatred, of anger and hesitation, shapes our personality, our behavior and attitude. The second lane, where it is curious to put the knowledge in the wisdom. That is what exactly is the Eastern wisdom. The teacher or a coach, whatever you say, puts that knowledge into the lane number 2, and once the knowledge is realized, the knowledge is the lane number 3. Close your eyes, be aware of the breath. Knowledge, lane number 2. Your thoughts are coming and going, lane number 1, let it come and go. You are totally carefree. You are not getting carried away because you are paying attention to that knowledge. So what is the result? The calmness. Well, that is the lane number 3. One thing that we should always remember, Eastern wisdom says the mind by default 99% in peace, happiness, love and wisdom. But we claim the lane number 1 is my mind, which is nothing but the unwanted, unwelcome thought enters into the mind because of the past impression, because of the habit, because of impulsive nature, and that causes the problem. The journey of the Eastern wisdom is to discover the real self, pure consciousness, that is of the nature of peace and happiness, is reflected in the lane number 3. That is what the mindfulness and meditation is.